The great thing about IKEA pieces is that you can use them in so many different ways, not just what they're meant for. Take a look at the multiple ways you can hack the Kura to make it your own. 1. Bunk beds. The Kura is already almost a bunk bed, so it doesn't take much work to finish the job. Making a bunk bed gives you more versatility. Whether your kids are sharing a bedroom and you're short on space, or your kid likes having sleepovers, it's an inexpensive way to create a bunk bed. 2. Secret clubhouse. Boarding up the top of the Kura lends itself to the look of a secret treehouse. Kids will love crawling up into the top nook to read or nap. This isn't a difficult DIY, and you could take it on yourself in a weekend. 3. Custom contact paper. You can use contact paper like this or a similar product in order to make the customized Kura bed of your kid's dreams. This makes the bed your child's own, and you can select from different patterns, colors, or designs to complement existing decor. 4. Add a dresser. Maximize the benefits of the Kura bed by turning it upside down with the bunk on top. In the open space, you can add a chest of drawers. That makes it perfect when it comes to saving space in a small bedroom. 5. Chevron Cutie. You can make over the Kura with just a few simple tweaks. Paint the bed frame any color you like. Use chevron wallpaper or contact paper, like this, to make the Kura more modern, especially for a young girl's room. This gives it a unique style that blends well with the rest of her bedroom. 6. Double the fun. Transform the Kura into a bunk bed of your dreams by making it a cozy little house for two. Wooden boards, an extra mattress, and fairy lights make this a cozy space for dreaming. This can work for two kids who have to share a bed, or for one who loves the extra space. 7. Curtained clubhouse. Put the bunk up top and leave the bottom for a cozy reading or napping nook. Add a cushion on the bottom with a few toss pillows for added comfort. Curtains let your kids escape from the world with a good book or for an afternoon snooze. Or you can use this space for storage. 8. Nightlight. You don't have to go overboard to create a sweet, soft space for your child. Leave the Kura with the mattress on the bottom and string fairy lights across the top. 9. Kura Castle. Use an entire wall and make the Kura the base of a castle your kid will love. This actually gives you two beds, so you can house two royal sleepers. There's also plenty of places to play, hide, read, and nap. 10. Detailed decals. Decals are a popular way to add customization to the Kura. There are obviously many different choices. You can pick from paisley, floral, chevron, or solid colors. 11. Lift it up. Use IKEA chests to give the Kura the lift it needs. Not only does this lift the bed up to give it some height, but you'll have lots of space underneath for storage. And best yet, there's no construction involved in this hack. You just need to purchase the required chests, but you'll be doing yourself a favor. Think of all the extra storage you'll have. 12. Safari theme. A safari theme is a great way to incorporate a love of animals using the Kura bed. You can use the blank sides to add decals, whether they're actual animals or maybe even animal prints to make this bedroom come alive. 13. Godzilla bed. Flip the Kura so the mattress is up top. This lets you use the space underneath for a reading nook with a soft, fluffy rug and plenty of pillows and books. In the blank space on the front of the bed, use chalk paint to allow your child to customize it as they like, whether they're writing about Godzilla or drawing pictures. 14. Cute canopy. Give your kid their own secret space by creating a cool canopy using the Kura. This is a simple IKEA hack that you don't have to be a professional to do, and you have the option to remove the curtains easily or put them out of the way when you like. 15. Fairy Princess Castle. For little girls, a princess bed is simply perfection. Use the Kura as the base for a beautiful bed that's a DIY dream. Complete with a tower and canopy, this beautiful bed got its start as a basic Kura kids bed. 16. A little lift. Since the Kura sits so low to the ground, you may want to give this bed a bit of lift. This is a simple DIY hack that changes the entire look of the bed. It also makes the bed look just a bit more elegant.